Hi guys, just want to quickly show you how to change a battery in this 3-button Volkswagen key fob. So this is from a Golf GTI. Really simple. First pick up the key, then I'm just going to use a larger flat blade screwdriver to put inside here where the key blade was, and just turn it. You can turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. That will then just lift this flap up, so this then just lifts up and pulls out. Okay, so that's the underside. So from here then you can see the battery. It's a CR2025 and it's 3 volts. If you use just a slightly smaller flat blade screwdriver, and then you can see there's a slight hole here, just put that in the side and then kind of give it a little bit of a twist out. Now just put your thumb over the top because it does spring out, so that should be enough. And then you can take the battery out. So you can see there, 20253 volts, and this is just a Panasonic battery. To put it back, you just push the battery back inside, push it down, and then to put the cover back, you can see there's a tab on this side that needs to go in first. So you just push that in at the end there, and then from there you just push the key fob back down. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.